Hi YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Today I'm making a short little video of this under the cabinet magnetic spice rack I made. Real simple project, but you know when you're cooking and you want to spice, you know, here's the pepper, here's the salt, here's you know, whatever else you want. Really easy to get to. Plus it gives me some more space. I'm in an RV, very small space, but you could do this in your home. You could do it in your office. You could also hang, you know, this is just for spices, but if you want to put cup holders, there's a lot of different variations. Like I got a little light here that clicks up there. So, you know, you got a lot of options with this magnetic strip. And I'll give you a little close-up and tell you how I built it. Okay, so for the container, I got these magnets from Amazon. This is about an inch and a quarter. And what I'll do is I'll rough up the surface on the top of the spice. And then it double-sided tape. So, you know, you just stick it on your magnet and then stick it on your top. Now you've got a container that you can stick up here. Now, different containers have different options. Like this one here had a real concaved hole, so I hot glued it. Not the prettiest job, but I did that way. And then like this one here, I wanted to use still just make it a shaker, so I just put the magnet on the side. So, you know, different products, different things, but pretty much you can just use a magnet. Usually with the double-sided tape, sometimes something else. So that's how you can make these things stick up there easy. And now I'll do a close-up of the metal strip. So for the metal strip under here, I went to Home Depot and I got a piece of this galvanized sheet metal. I liked it. You know, I cut it in half and then I just hot glued it up here. You could use construction adhesive, you could use double-sided tapes, you could use screws, but however you want to attach that, you can do. I like doing it hot glue, but I have some industrial strength hot glue, so it'll stay up there real solid. Just one other thing I wanted to show you, the way these cabinets are built. You know, this metal strip you don't even really see when you open up the cabinet doors. When the doors are closed, you barely notice it, or I barely notice it. I like how the galvanized matches with this. This is a, you know, like I said, this is a simple project. Most people should be able to tackle this. Anyway, if you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share it with other people. Leave a comment down below. That always encourages me to keep making these little videos. So have a great day. Have some fun. Maybe do some traveling. Bye. See you in the next one.